Hello guys, we use smartphone Tecno Spark Go, this version 2023 year edition, version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have only protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, close box and talk about device. We have plastic body, double camera, double camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.5-inch display. On this side power key and power button and warm buttons. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have IPS HD plus resolution, 60 Hz, default 60 Hz, open settings and look about system. We have Android 12 and iOS version 12 launcher. Okay, open Geekbench 6. We have CPU MediaTek NT 6769 or Helio A22 and GPU PowerVR GE8300. Okay, look results. One moment. Gallery and this screenshot Geekbench 6 CPU test results on this device. Yep. Close this and look onto the benchmark. Only 100 points. And run Guitar San Andreas. This game works only on the low graphic level. On the medium graphic level or high graphic level, game crashed. Okay, close this and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching.